Hey flowers, welcome to another nail tutorial by me, Reese LaFleur. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, hit the bell for notifications so that anytime I upload a video, you are notified. We're about to hop right into this tutorial. If you want to see how I got these nails, make sure you keep on watching. Hey y'all, hey. So we're just gonna hop right into it, like I said in my little fake intro. But I'm starting always with my cuticles. I'm using a cuticle pusher to push all my cuticles back, and this will help me use my cuticle cutter to cut those bad boys off. I do kind of do my nail tutorials a little bit faster because I don't want to have them drawn out. I want you guys to be able to just see the transformation. But if you want me to stop and do a 15-minute long tutorial on literally how I apply my polygel, please let me know. I've never really done a very long nail tutorial, but just let me know. So what I'm doing now is I'm just cutting off my cuticles. This is really important because I find that when you push your cuticles back, your nails last a little bit longer. So I've been doing my nails for about a year and a half, my own nails, and I've noticed that the more that I push my cuticle back, the better. So right now, after we finish with the cuticles, we grab the nail drill and we're just buffing all of the excess oils and such like that out of our nails. And this will help the nails last longer, especially when you glue down your tips. I always use tips when I do polygel because 1, it lasts longer, 2, it's easier to work with, and 3, I just love me some tips because I like a little bit of a thicker nail. So the nail glue I'm using, as you can see, we a little ghetto, sis. We a little ghetto. The top was screwed to the top, like it was glued to the top, and I just had to open it this way. So I'm using a fake plastic cuticle thing, whatever. So I'm just gluing down these nails. I buy my nails. I'll actually link these down below if you're interested. I buy my stiletto nails from Amazon pre-shaped, and it just saves time because when you're doing your own nails, it takes actually a lot longer than you would want it to, like when someone else is doing it, because you're doing both of your hands. So right now what I'm doing is I cut them down and then I'm just filing them to make sure that they're even and to my liking. So you see me measuring them together. I get out of frame a little bit because I have to see it myself. I have to look up close because I need them to be perfect. Like, I'm a stickler about shaping and all of that stuff. So yeah. So I use the MAKARTT products usually on all my polygel. It's always MAKARTT unless it's sold out and I just get a different one. So it comes with a base gel, so I'm putting that on, and you have to use this product before you put any of the polygel on your nails. So I'm just coating. I'm using a generous amount, and then I go ahead and I cure that in my LED lamp, which is also a MAKARTT lamp. Now I'm taking my, well, I consider this lime green, but to MAKARTT, they consider this to be yellow from the kit that I bought, the rainbow kit. And I was trying to figure out how I wanted to do these nails. I wanted them to be different. I wanted to give me that pizzazz, even though it's in a still, I know, like a summer look. So I decided to do a bright neon color, especially since I love how this color looks against my skin. So I did my full thumb, and I'm using alcohol to blend out this polygel. Be careful with polygel because it actually is very sticky, you guys. So once you get whatever I want, once I get whatever I need on the nail, then I go and I cure it. So that's what you see me doing now. Yeah, and guys, don't forget to smash this like button if you are loving how these nails come out. Now, this is the only polygel that you see right now that is not MAKARTT. It's EC Basket. I do not like this polygel, but I had a little bit left. I literally just threw it out after this video because I was like, let me just use all my money's worth. But I'm just placing all the polygels where I want it based on the colors. The only thing I didn't show you is the 2 tips. We see the 2 halves of the ones that I'm doing now. I put lime green at the bottom and then clear at the other lime green one. Those are the only things that you didn't see. So after I did all of that, I do those layers twice, and then I go in and I start putting my gems and jewels on, and this is what makes the nails pop and look fun and, you know, all that good stuff. So every nail where I didn't put any glitter, I just put 1 stone in the center of my nail bed, at the center base of my nail bed. So that's what you see me doing right now. And this is the MAKARTT Rhinestone gel glue, and I got this with a bunch of rhinestone sets. The rhinestone packet that you see me using now is from my girl Sarah at House of Trillium. Just keep in mind, House of Trillium, that's my bae. Like, I definitely am a brand ambassador for them. I do hauls. They have beautiful accessories, so I'll link them down below as well, because she now has nail art. So this is the glitter that came with my MAKARTT glitter set. So I'm just adding this just to bring some glitter into the nail and make the nail a little bit more full. And then I'm adding in the little bit of pieces. These are like little hearts and stars and big hearts. That's what I'm putting on the nail. And then I do that on the ring finger on that half of that nail, as I did to the other side. But I was losing footage because my camera kept stopping and I wasn't paying attention because I was really focused on my nails. All right, so this is the top it off. So this is the top coat. And I'm just gonna put this all over my nails after curing the rhinestones and all of that, because once you cure that rhinestone gel, it dries immediately. So that's basically what you see me doing now. This is basically the last final touch of doing your nails. I didn't even have to really file these anymore, which was awesome, because sometimes I have to like file them again to make sure that they're not like polygel falling all over the place. But every time I do my nails, I do it so much better. Like it becomes less work, which is crazy. So I'm curing that. La la la. Okay, so here is the final look of my nails. I actually love how these came out. I love the color. I love the design that I decided to do. I think it looks awesome. What do you guys think? Make sure you join that flower gang by liking, commenting, sharing, and subscribing to this YouTube channel. I appreciate you guys so much. I will see you guys in my next video. Mwah. Bye, guys. Period.
S playing on the track.